In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a warning for too many shifts. So you have your basic 4 on, 4 off 12-hour schedule here. The schedule is automatically generated, so you know that everybody has assigned the correct number of shifts. But scheduling has to deal with life events. So let's say that this person here is going to have a medical appointment, and so we're going to put in S here for sick. So they require 3 people on each shift at all times. So the person working with the schedule is going to look at the schedule and maybe schedule this person for an extra day to cover this one. So then they're going to put D in here. And so now they're going to get an error message saying that the shifts have been exceeded. So now they know that they're going to have to plan something else to figure this out. So let me show you how I did this. The first thing I did is I went to the Sheet tab, and the Sheet tab itself, and I right-clicked on it, and I selected View Code. This code that I've entered is basically looking for a change in the worksheet. So the second line is basically a double negative, and it's looking for a change. And if there's a change, it'll call a macro called shiftcnt right here. Okay? So now let's look at shiftcnt. So this is shiftcnt, and I've defined 2 variables. One is cfor, which is like the cells forward, and cbac, which is the range. I've defined them as a range, and these are the cells that are before it and after the active cell. Now what I've done is I've selected the active cell, and I've offset -1 because I'm assuming that when you enter the D, you're going to press enter, and then it's going to go down below the actual row that you're on. So I'm going to go back up to the row that you were selecting. Now, what I've set is C4 is active cell offset 4. So the cell that you're in plus the 4 cells going forward, and that's C4. And then I've set cbac as active cell and active cell offset going 4 back. So those are the 2 ranges that I've set. And now if the worksheet, now I'm using a worksheet application function CountIf. So there's 2 shifts that we're concerned about, and that's day and night. And so if C4, if there's forward, if there's greater than 4 days in the forward direction, or in the application worksheet function CountIf, C4 n being night is greater than 4, then you're going to receive a message box. The number of shifts has been exceeded. Now the other one that we're doing, so the first if statement was for the forward direction, and the second if statement is using the same basic idea, but it's going in the backwards range. If that is greater than 4, or if the application worksheet function going back is greater than 4, then you're going to get the error message. The number of shifts has been exceeded. I will, of course, include both sets of code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.